In this video, I will show you how to transfer Bitcoin from OKX to your Cash App account. First of all, you need to get the Bitcoin wallet address from your Cash App, so you need to open your Cash App account and click the Bitcoin in the bottom menu. If you have not activated your Bitcoin wallet yet, you can click on the bank icon in the bottom left corner, scroll down, and click Start button across the Bitcoin. So when you open the Bitcoin page on Cash App, you will see Buy, Sell, and these arrow buttons. Under these buttons, you will see View Bitcoin address. You need to click on this and you will see your Cash App Bitcoin wallet address. You need to copy the wallet address, and after that you can go to the OKX, log into your account, and then click Assets in the top right, click on Withdraw. Then you need to select the Bitcoin because Bitcoin is the only cryptocurrency that is supported by Cash App. You need to select the Bitcoin network and paste the Cash App Bitcoin wallet address right here. Then enter the amount of withdrawal and finalize the transaction. In few minutes, you can check your balance on Cash App. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.